this is a real flight ticket that I got, which is verifiable on the airline's website. And the best part is, I only paid $15 for this. In this video, I'll show you how you can get a real plane ticket which is verifiable, which you can use for visas or proof of onwards travel. Now, there are a lot of different websites offering this service, and I went with onwardticket.com, and I'll leave a link to them in the description below if you want to check them out. You can see with onwardticket.com, you can get a verified flight reservation within 60 seconds. So once you're on this page, you want to go to book now, and you can now choose a legit flight. So do you want a round trip? Do you want a one way? I'm going to choose one way, and let's fly from London. And let's fly, let's say, I don't know, to Manila, Philippines. Let's say we want to fly in a couple of days from now on the 5th of June. We can now click this button, enter in these fields here. And if you need it for more than one person, you can add people here by clicking on this plus icon. But anyway, we've got myself added. I'm now going to click next. Now we can receive this ticket now or receive it later. I'm going to receive it now. I don't really mind if it's a multi-stop or a direct flight. I'm going to keep the currency in USD. We can now go next. Now it's going to check for the available flights. And remember, this is booking you on a legitimate flight. And the way it works is your ticket's going to be held for around 48 hours. So you can see now it's valid for 48 hours. We've got a flight on the 5th of June, which is great. We can now accept these terms, confirm and pay. And you can pay via card or PayPal, very easy stuff. Okay, so now the payment's gone through, then the ticket is now getting booked. So now the booking's confirmed, now we can download our ticket. And let's just take a look at it here. So we're flying here with Qatar Airlines. It's got the reservation code here, which you can check to see if it's been booked. So if we go to Qatar Airlines, and then I'm on the manage page here. So now I can paste in the reference number, enter in my last name, find booking. And you can see here, Qatar Airlines recognizes this. You can see here, London to Manila. That's how you can book a onwards travel ticket. I hope that video did help you out.